And then next, if you're seeking accommodations at the college level, you need to request these every semester by meeting with a disability support office. If you had high school accommodations, the college does not automatically receive these, and college accommodations may vary from what you experienced in high school. So the contact information is listed here for the disability support office, but we definitely encourage you to take a look at that new student info link for the general guidelines. It provides some more details as to what documentation you may need prior to meeting with the disability support office.
Hi, I didn't have sound, did I? So here we are, I'm Candace again. So we have a couple of things that have come in through the chat that I just want to address and make sure that everyone feels comfortable with. So the first thing is, when this session is over today, we are going to send a follow-up email to all attendees so you can apply with any remaining questions. So you'll get an email from us and you'll be able to reply back, and we will be sure that all of your questions are answered. The second thing is that you are going to speak with an academic advisor or an admissions counselor before you take any next steps. So we are going to help you, and we want to help you. So you can see the phone number for the admissions office up on the slide here is 410-386-8430. admissions@carrollcc.edu is our email address. So you can contact us anytime with questions. There's a lot of questions about eligibility for placement testing, how, GPA, things like that. How do I get into classes? Give us a call if you're unsure. Placement testing is if you don't have another way to place directly into classes. And so Kim was covering the eligibility requirements a couple minutes ago. Many students place directly into classes with their GPA. They could place directly into classes with SATs or ACTs. They're not required, but we can use them. If you don't have another way to place into classes, then you will take the placement test. The best way to figure that out is to call us, and we will talk you through it. We know the questions to ask, and we can go through the list very quickly with you. Or you can go to the website again and look at that to see how you would be placing. So set up an appointment with an advisor or with an admissions counselor by calling the admissions office. It will be through Microsoft Teams or over the phone. We are still taking appointments as if we're at the campus. We are meeting with students daily. We have tons and tons of appointments available. So we will talk to you whenever you need. If you call us or email us asking for an appointment, you'll get one pretty quickly. If you are graduating from high school, or you've been out of high school for a little while, you already have a degree, you would want to contact the advising office at 410-386-8435, and they will schedule you for an appointment there. If you call our office, we'll refer you to them if you need to make an appointment with them. So no problem either way. And then you'll see non-credit and career training. There's an email address for them here and their phone number, 386-8100. So if you have any questions for them at all, you can give them a call. Again, we're going to be following up with any questions that come in through the chat. So what we're going to do now is we are going to play one more commercial to kind of, end up with what we're doing. That'll give you another minute or two to continue to send in chat questions that we can answer. And then that's going to be it. We really, really appreciate you joining us today. We know this is different. We know you want to come to campus. We want to be there too. So please, please contact us. We'll help you get started with everything that you need to know. Give us a call, email us, contact us, reply to the email, any one of those ways, and we'll make sure that we get back with you right away. So we're going to play a final commercial right now, and then we will continue to answer chats after this is over. This will be posted on the open house website page as soon as we're over. So thank you. Okay, so I don't see any final questions coming in. I think that we are going to conclude our session because we have no final questions coming in. Thank you so much for attending today. Reach out to us, get in contact with us. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. And hopefully we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you.